My dispute was an employment situation, and we had contacted a few different attorneys, or somebody recommended a few different attorneys, and we were going through the list, and honestly, we just looked at the name, and it was Mike Justice. And you know what, with Justice, it was like, how could we not have this person? When I first went down to Mike, everybody was talking about, on this, California's an at-will state and stuff like that, and not everybody will try to represent you. But we brought all of the information down and everything that had happened, and Mike sat there and asked questions, and he didn't seem like it was a, I'm just listening to you kind of thing. He would actually ask more in-depth on it. And at the end, I actually felt like, oh, you know what, we got the right guy, because here's somebody that really is interested in us and what happened. After that, it was great, because like I said, we looked at the name, talking to him, he makes you feel at home. It's like, it's like your next door neighbor, when you talk to him. So he doesn't talk down to you, he talks with you. So, and that means a lot. It went exactly how we said it was going to go, from step to step to step. I don't think there was ever any time where I was, oh shoot, I gotta do this, or I gotta do that, or oh my gosh, what happened? We didn't think about this. It's from day one, it was like, well, it's a process, and it's gonna be like this, and like this, and like this, and it's not gonna be fast, it's gonna take time. So I was already comfortable knowing that it's gonna take some time, but the longer it took, it didn't matter. It was the principle. And that's what we wanted to make sure that came out, was the principle of what happened. And it did. Mike made that happen. It's like 20 tons being taken off your shoulders. It's like waking up or not being able to sleep, wondering what's going to happen, what are we going to do tomorrow, or what are we going to do next month, or what are we going to do next year. It's like when it was done, it was like, okay, we don't have to worry. And I say we because it's we, our family. It's not just me. It's my wife and the 3 kids too. So it's a us. Mike Justice is for the principle, not the payout. It's really what I believe, because sometimes when you think of attorneys, it's like, how much money are they going to get you, or what's going to have to be paid out. And that was never an issue with Mike. It was always the principle. So Mike Justice is the principle, not the payout. That kind of does him to a T, I think. I tell you, if anybody ever had anything wrong, it's like, here's the guy for you, because he will go to bat for you. Especially, and if it's right. It's not going to be no hunkering down, or we'll make some concessions of this. No, it's not right, so here it is.